1916, somewhere on the Western Front. The air stinks of mud, fear and cordite. A young British soldier prepares for another day. Before he faces gunfire, gas or the endless wait, he gears up. Let's step into his boots. The British soldier's standard uniform began with a khaki wool tunic and trousers. Thick, scratchy and hot in the summer, but a thin shield against the cold mud of the trenches. The tunic had large pockets for essentials. The trousers were tucked into puttees, long wool strips wrapped around the legs to protect from mud and lice. On his feet, ammo boots, hobnailed for traction but heavy as hell. By 1916, most Tommies wore the Brodie helmet, shallow, steel and flat-brimmed. It wasn't elegant, but it helped deflect shrapnel from above. It rested on a simple chin strap and sat awkwardly, but it saved thousands from head wounds. Strapped over the tunic was the 1908 pattern webbing. Made of heavy cotton, it distributed weight across the shoulders. In the pouches, 2 bandoliers of .303 ammunition, a water bottle, a bayonet, entrenching tools, a haversack and rations, usually bully beef, hard biscuits and tea. Gas masks became standard later. Soldiers carried the small box respirator slung on the chest, always ready. Gas didn't knock, it crept. The SMLE Minco III rifle was a soldier's closest friend. 10 rounds, bolt action, quick to reload, deadly accurate. At close range, bayonets turned it into a spear, and when that wasn't enough, trench clubs, knives and grenades did the dirty work. Soldiers also carried entrenching tools, a part shovel, part weapon. Digging was as constant as breathing. Tucked inside their tunic, letters from home, a photo of a sweetheart, a Bible or a book of poetry, quiet anchors in the storm. Many carried small charms or tokens. Luck had currency in the trenches. The British soldier marched with 60 pounds on his back. Gear to fight, to survive, to endure, but no uniform carried the full weight of war. For king and country, they said, but each man bore his own reasons and his own burden.